Hello, this is Lorrie Hargis, and yesterday during our dynamic detox group coaching call, two of our participants have Lyme disease. And so during the autumn change, they really feel more aches and pains. And I had just been doing some research on ginger essential oil and how ginger essential oil is anti-inflammatory. It helps with pain. It's a natural analgesic. And thought, let's give ginger a try with these participants. So I suggested that they use 12 drops of ginger essential oil. And also in this study, it showed that if you combined orange essential oil with ginger essential oil, you have a better effect. Because orange essential oil contains a chemical constituent called limonene. And this is also anti-inflammatory and really helps move the lymph around. We have our joints, right? And we have all these fluids, and it really helps move the fluids in the body. This morning, I wake up to my Facebook Messenger, and both of the dynamic detoxers used the formulation last night. And this is the formulation. It's 12 drops of ginger, 6 drops of orange in 1 ounce of olive oil. And they did a self-massage because they were having most of their pain was in their neck and their shoulders. And one of them, it was in her knees. So they massaged that on before they went to bed, and they got up. This morning, I have 2 messages from both of them saying that they had great relief last night when they slept. This is super important. So make sure that you're using ginger and orange for your aches and pains during this autumn season. Don't forget your essentials. Use your common sense. Au revoir.